Shri Kamalnath Ji, Shri Rajendra Pawar, Shri Deepak Saxena MLA, Shri Uday Pratap MP, Shri Harbans Singh Deputy Speaker, other sponsor organizations of this District Learning Center, fact in tribe family or in a Dalit family or in a poor family or in a small town like Chidambaram or a village, the child could be an orphan. The child could have been abandoned, the child could be a street child. But every child has a dream. The sad part of a poor country is, for most children, these dreams come to an end when they are about 7 or 8 years old. After that, they don't dream. They drop out of school. They can't study further. They have to go to work. And they stop dreaming. They can only think of how to live from day to day. What we must recognize and what the UPA government is trying to do is to instill in everyone the belief that we can do it if we put our minds to it, if we set our heart on it, and if we work together, we can give every child in this country a decent life, education, job, family, freedom, independence, and dignity. 5 years ago, who would have imagined that a child in Chidambaram would be appointed in a job in Tata Consultancy Services? Neither the child would have hoped that or believed that the child can get a job in TCS, nor would Mr. Ratan Tata would have believed that he will recruit a child from Chidambaram. That has changed. How has it changed? It has changed because we are bringing to our problem a modern outlook, a scientific temper, thought, technology, application, patience, perseverance, and finally demonstrating the world that it can be done. The first thing you young men and women should do is banish from your mind all obscurantist thoughts, all outdated thoughts. The first outdated thought you must banish is, this is your fate. People tell you, this is your fate, it is written here. Nothing is written here. I look at your foreheads, nothing is in your forehead. First, don't believe that this is your fate. Once you get over that I'm fated to be poor, I'm fated to be illiterate, I'm fated to be unemployed, then nothing like that. Nobody is fated to be anything. It's not written here, it's not written by anyone. And if anyone has written anything here, I don't believe those who wrote it can be called God. Nobody has written anything on your forehead. Today, NIIT, working with other sponsors, has demonstrated that even a child in Chidambaram can dream of training, dream of skills, dream of education, and dream of getting a job. I congratulate all of you for this wonderful accomplishment in the last 5 years. But this is not enough, we have to do more. There are thousands and thousands of towns in India like Chidambaram. There are hundreds of thousands of villages which are poorer than Chidambaram. And there are millions of children who have the same dream which these children have. We have the money, we have the ideas, all that we need is the will to do this over the next 5-10 years. The UPA government has set apart a large amount of money for skill development. We will continue to provide money for skill development. I want every child in India to be able to learn some skill. Carpentry is a skill. Plumbing is a skill. Welding is a skill. Painting is a skill. Bricklaying is a skill. Operating a JCB is a skill. Operating a tractor is a skill. Repairing an automobile is a skill. Working on a computer is also a skill. Every child must get a skill. Every child must be made employable. And every child must aspire to a decent job in this country. I'm sure we can achieve it if we work together. If we get rid of all these outdated, obscurantists, completely irrelevant ideologies and thoughts, embrace modernity, face the world with confidence, and that we together can do it. Let me compliment Shri Kamal Nath for his far-sightedness in bringing NIIT Foundation to Chhindwara. That is the reason why he's been elected again and again and again and again and again, 9 times again in this country. I'm very happy that he continues to devote so much attention to Chhindwara and continues to show so much commitment to his constituents. I compliment Shri Rajendra Pawar and his team and all the sponsors for making a wonderful experiment today. And now this model should be replicated many, many times in many other parts of India. Congratulations to all of you. Thank you.